In this video, I'm going to talk about investing, swing trading, and day trading. Along the way, I'm going to drop some golden nuggets that you might not want to miss, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. Okay, let's get right into it. Investing is when you buy into a company that you believe will be doing great things in the future. Therefore, usually people just buy and forget, hoping that the investment will quadruple in a few years. Some even go beyond 10 or even 20 years. Now, when you look into invest, you usually have to do your research on all the fundamentals and not so much on the technicals. What do I mean by fundamentals? I mean that you look at the past performance, like their previous quarterly reports, SEC filings, to see if there were any illusions or how many they bore of executives and who's leading the ship with what credentials, etc. It is like a marriage when you need to find out, the perfect girl with great qualities who you can spend years with. Now, a perfect example would be invest in Tesla, where you already know Elon Musk had done some great things in the past. With him at the helm, Tesla is going to do great things beyond electric vehicles. A quick research on Tesla and you'll find plenty of info in what it is in the works and where it's going, right? Now, in a nutshell, investing is buying and forgetting until it rains Lamborghini. Just look at Warren Buffett. Now, I do appreciate you watching my video, so therefore I'm going to give you a stock pick to invest. But before I do so, I'd like to make a quick disclaimer. I'm not a professional stockbroker, so anything I say here is just my own opinion for informational and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research or due diligence, plus consult with professional before you buy any securities. Okay, now that's out of the way, let's get back to the exciting stock pick. The stock pick I have for you for today, February 12th, is ARKK. This is an ETF which stands for Exchange Traded Fund. It's like an index fund. Trade just like a stock. If you want to know more about ETF, simply just use Google. Okay. Now, why did I choose ARKK and not the obvious Tesla? The asset allocation for ARKK can provide you with the answer. As you can see, it also has Tesla and among other really good companies too. For many new investors, Tesla's share price might be a little too high for the initial buy-in, but ARKK has a much lower point of entry and a lot less volatility. So there you go, the first golden nugget for you. Let's talk about swing trading next. Swing trading is when you buy a stock and hold at least overnight to several months. Let's say you got a great stock tip that ABC company is waiting for a contract from the government or waiting for an FDA approval. You don't know when that will happen, but it has a good chance of succeeding, so you buy in now and wait for that stock to skyrocket up. It could be a few days to several months or even over a year, so you hold until it hits your target price, then you sell and make Lamborghini money. So of course, when you buy, you need to do your research and due diligence, just like investing, to make sure it's a solid company, but on the verge of big news coming. However, unlike investing where you buy and forget, you need to check on it on a regular basis to make sure you don't miss out when it hits your target price. For a new trader, swing trading is probably the most ideal place to start. It lets you get your feet wet in doing research for a stock. You get to learn how to do fundamental and technical research. At the same time, it's a lot less volatile and less risky than day trading. But please stick to mid-cap and large-cap stocks and stay away from trashy penny stocks. As a good investor, your portfolio would consist of long-term investments, swing trading stocks, and a small portion dedicated to day trading. Swing trades will always have a part in a well-balanced investment portfolio. Why wouldn't you want to invest in a short-term massive gain in a stock on the verge of big news release? Learn to be good at research and swing trades, as it will be part of your investment portfolio for years to come. Now, the stock pick I have for you for swing trade is CCIV as of February 12, 2021. It's rumored that it's going to merge with Lucid Motors in the electric vehicle sector. As you can see the posting that I on my Discord room. Now, if it's true that it's gonna merge with Lucid Motors, the stock will skyrocket up big time once they announce the news. It has already gone up over 40% since I knew about it. Now again, please do your own thorough research before investing. Ask a professional if you have to, but don't just buy blindly. I have been wrong before, so don't listen to me. Now that's the second golden nugget for you. Now we get to day trading. This is the highest risk kind of trading, as trashy penny stocks are being traded. Most day traders don't hold their stock positions overnight. Hence the term day trading, as things can change dramatically overnight. Many people stay away from day trading as they don't have the stomach for the crazy high volatility that comes with it. Now, a stock can run up over 100% to a few thousand% in a single day, like this one, but also can tank just as much, if not more. Most penny stocks are trash and mostly pump and dump. People like to day trade because they can make substantial gains in a single day due to the high volatility. This is not for the faint of heart. You can blow up your account really fast if you don't know what you're doing. Now, I won't go into too much details with day trading, as my first video covers that and also offers tips on how to approach day trading penny stocks for new traders. Please check it out if you haven't done so. But I will share a story with you of the mistake I made being too greedy that I turned a winning trade into a loss. It was supposed to be a day trade where I could walk away up 100% at the end of the day. But I got greedy and held overnight, where it tanked 70% and it ended up with a 30% loss. The ticker was Genius, GNUS. It was a pump and dump penny stock. I bought in when it was trading at $3.50. It started to go up and then it reached $7. I bought some more to average up to $5 per share. It was a wise move as the stock continued to climb and ended the day at around $11. This was when I made the big mistake. If I had liquidated all my shares, which I should have done for day trading, then I would more than double my money. Instead, my greed kicked in and I decided to hold overnight, thinking the momentum will keep going the next day. Well, the next day the stock tanked like a falling knife when I had to scramble to sell, as I didn't apply risk management. That was also a major mistake. My sell orders finally got filled at $3.50 and it ended the day at closing price of $2.50. I ended up at a loss of 30% on that trade. It was a lesson well learned on day trading that I never forget. So if you day trade, keep in mind that most penny stocks are trash and usually pump and dump. So don't be greedy like I did. As for day trading stock pick for you, I can't give you one as it can change within minutes. However, you can join my Discord channel that I listed in the description below this video and watch me day trade. It's completely free and I give out my daily picks there. That's all I have for you for this video. If you found some value, please click the like button as well as subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified when my next video is out. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video.